Can you replace a lawyer with ChatGPT? Let's talk a little bit about this question. As a lawyer myself, I'm maybe not the most objective person, but let's see. Especially in highly regulated areas or very specialized areas such as employment law, in finance, in life science, ChatGPT just doesn't have the information that you need to take a decision or to give you a legal advice, especially in countries where not a lot of laws and regulation verdicts are published on the internet. So it would invent maybe an answer that is not true, which can be very risky for you. That's why you need to be very careful. And law is, fortunately for me as a lawyer, never black and white and always open to interpretation. And ChatGPT is not very good in interpretation. It needs black and white, yes and no answers. So in that case, definitely don't skip your lawyer. But in basic legal cases, or if you have day-to-day question where you would just like to get an opinion, so you have a feeling of, does it make sense to maybe get legal support for this question? In that case, it can give you a good opinion. Plus, it can also decrease the cost for a lawyer because it's a great research tool. It's a great tool to summarize texts, and it's a great tool to write a first draft.